for the Pringles chicken taco from the food truck. You find a food truck everywhere. Well, let's find out in the taste. Here's the package. Oh, it's hard to open, huh? Open it, and yeah, the one I grabbed. Yeah. Yeah, it tastes like a Taco Bell. I don't know, they are same group, but tastes like a Taco Bell. You wanna smell? You wanna smell? Seems like that you like tacos. How do you say that? Gato, right? Little gato? Okay. How do you say the small, like a niña gato, whatever, like something like
Gatita.
that. Gatita. Gatita.
Because she's female. It'd be gatito if it was a boy.
Okay, gatita.
Those of you who are native Spanish speakers, please let me know if I'm correct.
I'm not sure about it, so I just trying to, well, we are from Southern California. We hear a lot of Spanish, but it's not the authentic one. I mean, because I just catch up, you know, those words, okay? This is not bad. I like it.
Would you buy it again?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Remember the tacos with the truck.